Hello and welcome back to your IELTS review video. In episode 12 today, we'll talk about shopping. So let's get started. Now, the most basic question you could be asked to start this topic is, do you like shopping? Yes. No. Please don't just say that. The most basic answer you could say is, yes, I enjoy shopping because it's a way to find new things. Or, absolutely. I find shopping quite enjoyable as it allows me to explore various products and trends. Now, another question could be, do you compare prices when you shop? Yes, I compare prices to make sure I'm getting a good deal. Or, certainly, I'm making a point to compare prices to ensure I'm making an informed and cost-effective decision. If you wanted to go even further though, you could talk about how you compare the prices in store and online to get yourself your best deal. Is it difficult for you to make choices when you shop? Sometimes, is your most basic answer. I find it hard to choose between different options. Or you could say, at times I encounter difficulty in making decisions when presented with numerous options while shopping. How often do you buy something in a shop? I'm a frequent shopper, and I tend to make purchases whenever there's a need or when I find something interesting. Or you could say, I buy things quite often, especially when I need something. Again, episode 12 today, very few questions. Next up is our reading passage. So again, I'm going to look slightly that way and read along with me. Hopefully this enhances your knowledge of the topic. So we're talking about the consumer landscape. Comparison shopping has become a cornerstone of smart consumer behavior as individuals seek the best value for their hard-earned money. Modern consumers are confronted with an overwhelming set of options, both online and offline. Shoppers now have access to a plethora of price comparison tools. These tools empower consumers to instantly compare prices across various retailers and platforms, helping them make more informed decisions. Smart shoppers adopt strategies to combat decision fatigue, such as setting specific criteria before shopping and sticking to them. As choices proliferate, decision fatigue becomes a real concern. Smart shoppers understand the importance of balancing quality and price. Price alone does not define value. Durability, functionality, and brand reputation play crucial roles in determining the true worth of a product. Being aware of marketing tactics and practicing mindfulness while shopping can help individuals resist unnecessary expenditures. Impulse buying is a common pitfall that can derail smart shopping efforts. Smart shopping is incredibly intertwined with sustainable consumption. Ethical considerations such as environmental impact and fair labor practices are gaining prominence. By utilizing comparison tools, navigating decision fatigue, and understanding the balance between quality and price, individuals can navigate the complex consumer landscape and make choices that align with their goods and values. Smart shopping involves careful consideration, informed decision-making, and conscious effort to make the most of one's resources. Okay, I hope you found that interesting. So we're going to get onto the words. These are terms and expressions that you can use, again, to enhance your everyday English speaking as well as your IELTS score. Consumer-driven, multifaceted, prudent spending, assortment, comparison shopping, retailer, platform, criteria, durability, functionality, brand reputation, pitfall, checkout counter, marketing tactics, mindfulness, ethical considerations, environmental impact, fair labor practices, responsible consumption, make informed decisions, find the best value for money, navigate the complex landscape, set specific criteria, Resist unnecessary expenditures. Cultivate a mindful approach. Align with one's goals and values. Contribute to responsible consumer culture. Determine the true worth of a product. Derail smart shopping efforts. Prominence of ethical considerations. Interact with price comparison tools. Combat decision fatigue. Practice mindfulness while shopping. Resonate with sustainable values. Okay, now on to our final section, the paraphrasing exercises. Again, as always, we have questions, statements, descriptions. You're on your own for the last one. So let's get started. So paraphrasing questions. A simple question like, do you like shopping? Are you fond of engaging in shopping activities? Or how often do you buy something in a shop? How frequently do you make purchases at stores? Or is it difficult for you to make choices when you shop? Do you encounter challenges in decision making during your shopping trips? As for statements, comparison shopping helps consumers make informed decisions. Engaging in comparison shopping enables consumers to make well-informed choices. Navigating decision fatigue is crucial for a successful shopping experience. Making decision fatigue is essential to ensuring a productive shopping encounter. Smart shoppers strike a balance between quality and price when making purchases. Intelligent consumers find a harmonious equilibrium between quality and cost while buying. And there's your last one. Thank you very much for staying with me today. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.